SEER 3D for machining. So we start the process, we select the line item, we select machining from the available process groups. We come over here and we select the most relevant environment. You can build and create your own environment. We tell it the quantity, we tell it the batch size. The material has come as a forging and titanium from the environment because it was set up for this part. Irregular is because it's a forging. We're going to do primarily milling. The bounding box is inertia based. We're going to deburr it, include the forging estimate, any finishing heat treatment, and this is information relating to the part. The process steps themselves for machining. We're going to skim the base of the forging. We're going to do some volume rough milling and then some detailed rough milling to rough out the outline. All of the operational faces are here. We can include them, we can exclude them if we wish to. If we were doing a casting and there were faces that we didn't need to machine, or corner radii, which are a function of the tool, they can be excluded. We can look at the holes and countersinks, and we can look at this one here. And I've nominated this one to be a tap toe. We'll obviously have the drawing and take control of that. And then when we're done, we click on estimate. And then this will go off again into SEER for manufacturing and create us a detailed cost estimate for this machine component. So this is the resultant estimate. We have our forging estimate, and if we look at the process specifics, information relating to the forging, its material, cost per kilogram, number of stages, forging cycles, complexities, etc. Then we have our machining operations, and we'll just go here, go to view, go to machining details. These will then collapse all of these. So this is our surface skimming operation, volume rough milling, detailed rough milling, and all of the operations to create this part. Operation detail report will show you exactly what time has been allocated to each op, what percentage of the process it represents. And that's a 32. That's because it includes some setup minutes. Some of these, if you could look at if you're doing a cost reduction exercise, would be where to start. So that's what we end up with: forging, machining, and then finishing operations, dependent upon what's in the environment that we have selected. So that's machining. And again, thank you very much for viewing.